All right, welcome to your C's episode of this series, Web Design 101. So, in this series, we are going to look at hyperlinks or links. So, hyperlinks are basically elements that when you click, it will send you to a particular website or a particular page. And the element for that is A, which we also call it anchor tag. So, or anchor element. So, we have it like this A, okay. Good. You open, then you close it. But it has a default attribute known as href. I believe you all remember about attributes in our last two videos. So I'll open A as an anchor tag like this, then I'll close it. Now it has a default attribute which is href. So if you remember the formula for attribute, you specify the element, then you give a space, then href, okay, equal to and double quote. Now this is where you are going to put the link that you want to visit or the page you want to visit when someone click on the link. So I'm going to use Namibra. Okay, I'll leave it like this, Namibra. Then over here I'm going to see that Namibra then .com. Okay, then I'll save it, Control S, go back to the code or go back to the folder. Then I'll double click on index so that it will open for me. Good. So when I click on this link, Namibra, you see, whenever I hover the mouse on the text, it changed to a hand. Okay, so I'll click on it, then it will send me to the website, but that you cannot visit that site. Okay, because the URL is reading from local, I mean, server, like local URL. So I'll go back to the code, then I'm going to type https colon then this dash. I'll save it, then go back, refresh the page, then I'll click on it. This time it will take few seconds to load, then we are on the website. Okay, good. So that is how to link, uh, provide a link in your web page or in HTML. So now there's another attribute that we can also add over here, okay, which is the target attribute. Okay, the target attribute, the function is that it specifies where to open the link document. Okay, so by default, if I am to click this link, see the website will automatically load from the same tab, from the same view. Okay, so that's by default. So what if we want to open the link in a new tab? How do we do that? How can we achieve that? Okay, good. So we add the target attribute, then the value is going to be underscore, then blank. Okay, blank like this. Then I'll save it, Control S, go back to my page, I'll refresh it, then click on the link. Okay, so you see it has opened a new tab for us, then it will load so we can still have our page. So that's one value of the tag element. Good. Then we also have another one which is um parent. You must always bring the underscore. Okay, always bring the underscore. Okay, and this parent will um open a parent window for us, a parent window. Control S to save, then I'll go back, then refresh the page. Good. Let's see. have internet connection. Why? Good. So it's open within the same, window. Good. And one thing that we should all take note is that the color of the link. So you see here, this is purple, right? This purple color. Because I've already visited the link, that's why it changed to purple. So on visited link, it's always blue. So I think let me copy the course, and I'll copy the same thing, then I will paste it. So you see, I've already visited the first one, and I've not visited the second one. Let me put BR over here. I've not visited the second one. So I'll refresh the page. Okay, because the same link. So let me change this to google.com. Save it. No, let me change this one to Google. Control S to save, then Control R to refresh. So you see, Google, I have not visited it yet. So is blue in color. Is blue in color. Then because I have visited the Namibra already, it is purple in color. So let's say I'm going to add another BR and another link of href. Then this one I'm going to say index.html. Okay, then I'm going to say home. Good. I'll save this guy, go back, then refresh the page. So I click on home. Good. Uh, so that is basically how to add links to your code. And one thing is that link is not only attributed to text. We can add an image, then when you click on it, you can send it to a particular page or a particular link. But when we get to images, how to insert image on our website, and then I think we will do that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. See you next time. Bye bye.